Hi everyone. Today we're here with Flo-Dynamics to learn a little more on their 2023 P10 Innovation Award-winning product, the TTCF-9A transmission flusher, which also to note received one of the highest overall scores from our judges. For those that may not be familiar with the product, the variable high flow hydraulic system flusher is designed to flush and clean transmission coolers and lines or any hydraulic system of contamination, sludge, varnish deposits, and particles from a failed transmission. With me is Frank Casale, Director of Sales and Marketing for Flo-Dynamics. Frank, thank you for joining me today.
Well, thank you for having us, and it's a great honor to achieve this award.
Well, to start things off, can you tell me what makes the transmission flusher innovative?
There are units on the market. We were one of the first ones out. We actually acquired this company back in about 5 years ago. They started in '91. They were OE approved by multiple car manufacturers. And when we acquired them, it was primarily automotive. Smaller vehicles, lower flow. And we had interest in the heavy duty side of the market and realized that there are some machines out there that did heavy duty, but they couldn't do both. Which means the municipality that had heavy duty vehicles and also, cars would have to buy two separate machines. So we designed, developed, patented a device that could change the flow rate. So you can have 8 gallons per minute when doing a heavy duty vehicle. You can dial it down all the way down to 1 gallon per minute for smaller vehicles. You really don't want to put 8 gallons of fluid per minute through a small system. So it allows the technician, the shop, to buy one unit that does both. We've also added a very easy to use LCD screen with some buttons, so it's very easy to see what you're doing, and it also records what the flow rate, pressure, temperature was when you started and when you finished, and you can easily see that you improve that cooler or lines that may have had a blockage in it. And it meets the OE specs as far as flow rate. So all that combined in one machine saves the shop money and saves them floor space.
Okay, got it. And what was the inspiration behind creating this product?
It was just talking to, we spend a lot of time in shops talking to technicians and asking what they want and stuff. And we just came up with the idea after talking to them about, that they hated buying two separate machines. We decided to develop and research and come up with an idea that works. And it's been very successful, and the people that have purchased it are extremely happy with it.
Okay, great. How will this product improve the lives of technicians and shop owners?
It makes their job easier. You can program the machine and let the machine do all the work. Technician could be doing something else while it's going through its process. Again, it saves them money. So the return on investment is faster, and it's easy to use, so it doesn't require much training at all.
Okay.
They, easy instructions and away they go.
Perfect. Easy enough.
Yes.
And what has been the feedback so far from technicians who purchased it?
Our industry is pretty funny. No news is good news. So if people were having issues or problems, we would hear about it. So that's part of it. There are some that will reach out to take that extra effort and reach out and compliment on the machine and stuff. So we've gotten for those. We've gotten OE approval and they're still purchasing them. So that's always a good sign.
Yes, yes, it is. Is there anything else our readers should know or that you would like to share?
So I would reinforce that it is OE approved by Allison. Um, we are in their program. Their distributors or repair centers have been purchasing the machine.
Okay.
So that's good. There's a couple other OEs we're working on, but nothing that could be announced this time.
Okay. Got it. Well,
One other thing that for readers that may or may not know who Flo-Dynamics is, we've been in business since we developed, well, actually, we purchased a patent from a guy named Tony Parker back in early 90s, mid 90s. So we've been in business since then. We've grown over the years. We've grown our OE approvals. We've had customers that have been with us for, 20 plus years. So everything is built in the U.S. Everything is supported by us in the U.S. in Elkhart, Indiana. So anybody that purchases, even equipment that we sold Pep Boys back in 2003, we still support the product. So family-owned company. They're between second and third generation. They believe in support and taking care of the customers.
that sounds great. Thank you. Well, this has all been great information and insightful. We thank you for sharing and for your time today. And congrats again on winning a P10 Innovation Award. That's exciting.
Thank you. And you can just imagine I'm holding the award right here.
Yes, soon enough. Yes. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you, and you have a wonderful day.